Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use send it on the Snapchat. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for this send it. Once you will search for it, you will see this application. Simply you can download and install this application in your phone. So once you will do it, I have already installed it to my phone. I simply click on the open. Now right here you can edit your question. So let's suppose ask, click, and on the bottom you will see share button. So simply click on the share button. It will get access of your Snapchat, and once you will done that, simply you can see question is here. Now click a picture and click on the send to your friends. They will ask you a question. Now go back. If someone asks you a question, on the right top you will see inbox, and here your question will be appear. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.